Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app allows eligible guests to begin the Disability Access Service registration process before their visit. After linking your park ticket, you can request a live video chat with a Disney cast member who will determine eligibility and, if approved, complete your DAS registration. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to register for Disability Access Service in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for eligible guests who need assistance waiting in traditional attraction queues. So open the Disneyland mobile app as the first thing you have to do. So sign into your Disney account, link your park ticket like before requesting DAS, open the three lines here, which is the menu. Okay, open my ticket and passes, link your park tickets if they aren't already connected to your account. Your ticket should be linked before speaking with a cast member. Then open the Disability Access Server section like inside the app. Select Disability Access Service or search for disability. Okay, and within the app, so you will see information about DAS eligibility and registration. Request a live video chat like when you are ready. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Tap request live video chat or speak with a cast member. Wait for the next available cast member, and the cast member will discuss your accessibility needs and determine whether DAS is the appropriate accommodation. Okay, so complete registration, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.